Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and well, I have a brand new lock. I don't normally buy brand new locks, but when you see a bargain, you buy it. And this is the Ifam ARM Armoured 60. So yeah, you just see there, it's the probably the 05 2065 ARM 60. I don't know, whatever it's actually called. Can't really see what the model number is, but let's call it the Armoured 60. And isn't it sweet? You normally see these a bit bigger. It's a Spanish lock, and it's just kind of sweet, isn't it? A little armoured lock. Obviously, it's still got a brass body and a hardened steel with like this sandblasted finish and chrome armoured plating over it. Yeah, it's just kind of a cute little thing. And the keyway is a bit weird in this. It's quite open. You could argue it's sort of paracentric because you can see here that the this warding here and that warding there I think slightly overlap, but the fact is that the pins only start about here, so you can get any pick you like down the middle. So having it with that warding in at all, I don't know, it doesn't really add anything. Bit strange. They could have just had like a Yale style keyway and that would have been loads better. Anyway, just opens as you'd expect, very smooth because it is brand new, nice and shiny as you can see, and it's a reasonable bitting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pin lock with I don't know if it's a zero cut pin number 2 here, but it certainly makes picking pin number 3 a little bit more difficult. It's not the best bitting I've ever seen, but it's certainly not the worst. Right, let me grab a vise, put this in, and then we'll get picking it. Okay, so we're in the vise and I'm going to use an odd tension tool. It's a Z wrench or Z bar, which you'd normally use with dimple locks, but it just seems to work quite well in this lock where there's such a wide open keyway and odd warding. So that's what we're going to use. I'm going to use a piece and gem, 18 thousandths, and that should easily suffice. Just go through, light tension, pin 5, little click, 4, little click into a full set. Back to pin 1, not ready yet. More little clicks off pins 4 and 5. Little click off 2 there. There you go, 3, 2, 1. Oh, a little bit more there on 5, 4. Bit of counter rotation there. Good. 3, 2, 1. Back to the back again. It's all subtle feedback on this one, that's for sure. That's pin 3. Be one of those ones which doesn't open, then all of a sudden just does open as you just pick your way through the pins in order. That's pin 4 there. Just try 3. No. It'll click on 2. Back to pin 1, and we are open. There we go. Well, it didn't take very long to pick, did it? The feedback was subtle. Light tension is definitely the key. I felt like the pins are just resting on that edge between being on a spool and just and feeling like a standard pin. Very, very subtle light spools in there. I think that it's probably just the bitting of the lock which made it feel like that. But let's pull that shackle to show it's fully open. Yeah, a fun little lock, certainly a handsome little thing, but really not much of a trouble for a picker, as long as you have the right tension tool, of course, which is, you know, most of the battle, I find. Hope you enjoyed watching that. I'll see you all next time.